Hey guys, well in this video we're going to go over a quick and easy permutation question. Today we're going to see how many ways can we rearrange the letters in the word Mississippi. I know I'm not American, but I thought we might just have fun with it. Mississippi is a beautiful name, right? So we are going to make this happen. So how many ways can we arrange the letters Mississippi so that we have a large number of different ways to make words that make zero sense but originate from the letters from this state's word? Now, to help you all pre-calculus and calculus students, or just algebra students, because that's what this is, let me break it down to you. We have 4 S's, 4 I's, and 2 P's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 S's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 I's, and 2 P's at the end. So I know this ain't no wheel of fortune, but we are going to give this a try and see what happens. So, permutation does not care about orders, but what permutation still does care about, nothing is rule free. We do have a few rules here, guys. We have to listen to the rules of mathematics. And we have to say, because there's repeats of these letters, 4 S's, 4 I's, 2 P's, we have to say that we have to subtract those repetition because no matter how much you arrange the same letters, they're just going to be the same, okay? So we are going to do it in a way where we have maximum amount of variability without the repetitive clone numbers. I know they're not the proper term, but if you have the same letters in different orders, we can't tell the difference. We're not scientists who can tell the difference between the same letters. They're the same. They're abstract symbols, okay? So to do that, we are going to do a little thing called dividing. So let's get into this. Now, how do we do this? We are going to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. In these 11 letters, we have 11 factorial. So now if all these 11 letters were different, we could say 11 factorial and just say 11 times 10 times 9 all the way to 1. And that will be our solution. But because we have these repetitions, we have to do some work here, guys. So divide by 4 factorial for the repetition of 4 S's, divide by 4 factorial for the repetition of 4 I's, and divide it by 2 factorial for the repetition of 2 P's. So now let's try this. What is this number? Just for the mathematical sense, right? We are doing some basic algebra, but let's get some handwritten multiplication going because you don't need a calculator for this. I know this is a large number, but we can do this, guys. Let's expand this number. So we have 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, okay? I'm not going to write everything out, but we're just going to do that. So 4, and at the bottom we have 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial. So if the 4 factorial cancels out, and guess what? We can expand this, right? So we have, at the denominator, we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. And let's do a little bit of math. So we can do 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 2 is 6, and then the ones cancel out, so we have 4 times 2, 3 times 2, 6. And then this is the denominator. So we have 11 times, sorry for my handwriting, 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, and then at the bottom we have 8 times 6. Guess what? The 6 cancels out and the 8 cancels out. Now we have 11 times 10 times 9 times 7 times 5. Okay, so we have this special number here. Now we can do this by hand. It's not that difficult. So we can do 11 times 10 is 110. 9 times, and then we can just do 9, and then 7 times 5 is 35. And then we have, next number, I'm skipping a few steps here. What we got this, we have this going, sir, 990 times 35, because, 110 times 9 is 990. So now we can do 990 times 35. We can do that. It's not too far, right? Not too difficult. So we do 0, 5, 4, 45, 49. And we have 0, 7, 2, 27, 29. And 0, 5, 6, 4, 3. So we have the final number of 34,650. That is our final answer. I hope you guys had a good time learning this permutation tutorial lesson in mathematics, basic algebra. I will see you guys. It's the next one, guys. Bye!